Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some Spanish phrases bingo cards using the software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. Okay, this is the initial screen of the program. You click Create New Bingo Card Project, and now you have a choice of what kind of bingo card you'd like to create. I can choose blank, or enter my own words. I can choose alphabet, numbers. I can choose school subjects like English, or this is also English as a foreign language, geography. I can choose events like baby showers or birthdays. I can choose holidays like 4th of July, Christmas, Columbus Day and so forth. But if I go to languages and I scroll down, I can find Spanish phrases here, common Spanish phrases used in day-to-day living. So I select that item and then I either double click or I click it and click OK. And now my Spanish phrases are here on the left. I can add my own additional items if I want to, or I can delete any unwanted items, but I'll leave the list as it is for now. To add an item, I'll just type it in here. To delete an item, I simply click on it and then click delete. But anyway, leave the list as it is for now. And now I can choose the size of the bingo card. Choose 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and so forth, depending on what kind of bingo card I want. I can also choose a larger size like 6 by 6, although I currently don't have enough items in my list to fill up the 6 by 6 bingo card. I'd have to type some more in to fill up that card, but I'll leave it on 5 by 5. I can choose whether or not to have a heading on the bingo card, and I can change what the heading might say. I can choose whether or not to have a special free space square in the center of the bingo card, and if I have it on, I can choose again what the free space might say. And here's my sample bingo card. At the moment, the items here are in the same order as in this list, but on the real bingo cards, you'll see when I print them out or do a print preview, the items will be in a random order. I also have the option to change fonts and colors using the format menu. So I'll change some colors. I'll use some stripes of, let's say, horizontal stripes, and I'll use a red and a yellow background, Spain's traditional colors, of course. And I'll make the free space also red, and I'll make the heading yellow, and I can change the line color and so forth, text colors as well, but that'll do for now. So there's my bingo card in Spanish colors, and I could also change the fonts, but I'll leave that for now, and I'm now ready to print. I can look at the options that are related to printing over here. Print the call list is basically this list of items in a random order on an extra sheet when you print out. It's very useful for using these bingo cards in a school lesson or something like that, as you know exactly which items will be called out. You don't have to print it. If you don't want to use it, you can simply uncheck the option like that. But I'll leave it in so you can see what it would look like. The program does also include a feature for calling items during the game and selecting items at random, which I'll show you at the end of the video. I've also choose a number of bingo cards to print per page, and if I put in more items, bingo cards per page, each bingo card will be smaller, but if I'm printing a lot of bingo cards, I will potentially be able to save paper, as I'll be able to produce more bingo cards on less pages, but of course I might have to cut the paper up in order to give one bingo card to each player, so I'll leave that on 1 for now. And how many bingo cards do I want to print? Remember, every bingo card will be a different combination arrangement of the items, but it's a very quick way to produce lots of bingo cards for your students or for your players. And I could put in 1, I could put in 10, I could put in 100 or 1,000, I could put up to 9,999. So we'll put in 100 as an example, just to show you how easy and quick it is. Okay, I'm now ready to print. I'll do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout would look like. Okay, the first page is a call list, all the words in random order. If I zoom out so you can see the whole page, then you'll be able to see the first bingo card a bit more clearly. Okay, here are the words, Spanish words, phrases arranged randomly. And if I do the next page, you'll see the next page has got a different random arrangement of the Spanish words and phrases, and the third page is different, and the fourth page is different, up to whatever number of bingo cards I've chosen to print. Okay, if I exit the print preview, we'll go back to the main screen here. I'll just show you the last option that I mentioned, which is the program can help you call items out at random. Very useful, again, if you are the bingo caller. And what it does here is it will pick an item at random and show it on the left hand side and on the right hand side. But when I click next, it will show a different item, and it will also show me on the left hand side the previously selected random items. So you can see them scrolling down as I select new random items. So that's basically how the software works. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it, and if you like it, then you can upgrade to the registered version, which allows you to do everything that's in this video. So the software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows, so go to bingocardprinter.com, download it, try it out, and see how you like it. I think you'll like it. Thank you.